If you want a plan that actually works, here's how to build one in 3 simple, effective steps. First, define your true target. Most people set vague goals that sound inspiring but lack precision. High performers do it differently. You choose one specific outcome with a non-negotiable deadline. For example, instead of saying grow on YouTube, they commit to upload 2 videos a week for the next 30 days. Instead of get fit, they aim to lose 3 kilograms by August 1st. Second, understand your X and Y. Most people only plan for when everything goes right. Success depends on anticipating what could go wrong. That's where the formula comes in. If X obstacle happens, then Y action is what you'll do. For instance, if you get the urge to eat a cheat meal during a fat loss phase, your why could be to grab a low-calorie snack instead. Finally, anchor and activate your plan. This is the step most people miss. It's crucial to making your plan a lasting habit. Don't rely on memory or willpower. Link your plan to daily anchors like brushing your teeth or drinking coffee. Right after that anchor, review your 3-step plan. Add external reminders too. Sticky notes, calendar alerts, or a friend checking in, because accountability keeps you going when motivation fades. By defining your target, preparing for obstacles, and integrating the plan into your routine, you make real, lasting progress.